Fast Learning Studio presents Young Ones of Animals. Here we will learn the names of some animals and their babies. Cow, calf. Young one of cow is called calf. Horse, foal. Young one of a horse is called a foal. Cat, kitten. Young one of cat is called a kitten. Sheep, lamb. Young one of sheep is called a lamb. Duck, duckling. Young one of a duck is called duckling. Hen, chicken. Young one of a hen is called a chicken. Lion, cub. Young one of a lion is called cub. Dog, puppy. Young one of a dog is called puppy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.